It may or may not even be accurate.
That's correct.
Okay. You need someone that can look at a set of financials and then knows your industry and can go, you're missing insurance expense. I know you have to have general liability insurance because you're a pool company. I know you have to have this.
Yep.
You're missing auto expenses because you're a plumber and I know you've got 10 vehicles sitting out there.
Yeah.
Where's those cars at, right? You need someone that can actually do the thinking and isn't just going to be a data manipulator and take your bank account and go, here's your financials. So that's number one. On the fractional CFO services, this comes back into our advisory stuff, right? It's very important. Okay. We can offer a CFO for anybody. It's really for that person that wants to take their business to the next level.
Yeah.
They've run their business. It's done okay, but they realize they're hitting this barrier. They're spending too much time doing the back end of the business of trying to keep the books in order and doing X, Y, and Z, and they're not outgrowing their business.
They're working in the business and not on the business.
Correct.
Yeah.
And so that's where you need someone like us to come in and go, you be the CEO, let us be the CFO.
Correct.
Right. And so we can come in, we can look at we can look at banking relationships. Do you have the right bank with your company? Okay.
You have the right vendor list.
Do you have the right vendors?
Yep.
Have you negotiated with those vendors? I'll tell you real quick, just meeting I just had. First question I asked them was, how are you paying your people? And they were like, well, they're all 1099s. I said, are they 1099s? Well, that's how we pay them. But are they? How much control are you exerting on them? And they're like, well, we don't understand that. So I walked them through the 1099 versus employee questionnaire that the TWC is going to ask when they come in and audit you.
Right.
And they're like, no one's ever asked us these questions. And I was like, that's a problem.
That's a problem.
Okay. Because they were providing cars to their employees. They were providing shirts with the company logos to the employee. They're employees. These are not 1099 folks.
They are.
And TWC gets a hold of them. They're going to owe payroll taxes, penalties, and fines for misclassification